It's Arkneil Gaming and we're going to try our luck again in the Starlight Lucky Box. Hope we can get it in 30 draws or less. Last time we got lucky and we got the premium Starlight in 8 draws. So let's see if we can get lucky again. 2. 4. 5th draw. I have a feeling that we will get an unlucky draw because last time we got super lucky. You never know. So we have done 8 draws. 2 more. Okay. Landed down the drain. Another 2 more for the 14 draws. So we have done 14 draws. 16 draws. 17. 18. Ooh! So we got lucky, guys. I was very nervous that we might be unlucky this time, but we got lucky again, guys. So Starlight card obtained in just 18 draws. So that's 180 diamonds. We have saved 120 diamonds if we bought it regularly. Regular price, I mean. So we got lucky, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.